So we start off today's video with another big chop transformation. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob haircut for this one. Nice, chic, effortless bob style. This one comes to just around the shoulders. Absolutely stunning haircuts. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some long to short transformations. So if you've been thinking of cutting your hair, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with curly hair. She does have blonde ends. Stylist mixes in some color. Finishes off the cut. There is the before. Wow, this is the after. Absolutely beautiful cut. I love the ombre coloring that he did with the hair. Nice face framing highlights as well. Beautifully done. So here we have a pixie haircut transformation. The stylist cleans up the sides, really playing into that longer sideburn look. Huge trend right now for shorter hair. Oh, gorgeous. I love the shape of this. It is a little bit of like the asymmetrical pixie style with a longer bang in the front. This is absolutely gorgeous. Love the swoop bangs as well. Absolutely stunning. So here we have someone else who decided to try out the pixie style. Her hair has like the perfect touch of red. Almost like that cherry cola hair color trend that's floating around. And this one also features a bit of a spiky texture to it, nice face framing bangs, beautiful. So here we have another gorgeous pixie haircut. This one also has a longer bang in the front, beautiful shape and texture overall. I feel like it perfectly frames her face, gorgeous. And then we see someone rocking the platinum hair color trend in the form of a pixie. Now I would definitely call this like a pixie mullet style. She does have longer hair a little bit in the back, but this color looks absolutely radiant on her. And then we see someone once again go from long to short. Stylist did a classic shoulder length bob. Great length to try out if you want to go short but not super short. This is a great in between length. I also love the fact that she decided to keep her natural grays mixed in for the hair coloring. And then we have a French girl style bob for this next one. Another very trendy bob style that you can try out this season. Beautiful bangs in the front, tousled texture. Gorgeous. Alright you guys, so I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. Let us know which one was your absolute favorite. We're going to leave things off with this beautiful blonde pixie bob style, and we will of course see you in the next one.